Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Astro Arichuvadi. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and hit the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Cancer sign, Cancer ascendants, Punarpusam 4th Padam, Pusam Ayilyam star viewers. Month begins with your sign lord, Moon in the 3rd house Virgo. Your 2nd house lord, Sun will be in the 5th house Scorpio in the first half of the month and moves to 6th house Sagittarius in the second half. So first half of the month will be favorable than the second half. Politicians will flourish in the first half. Government projects will be finalized in the first half. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family situation will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. 3rd and 12th house lord, Mercury from 5th house Scorpio moves to 6th house Sagittarius on December 10th. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in the public. Younger siblings will cooperate. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenditures. Education side will be bright. 4th and 11th house lord Venus from 6th house Sagittarius moves to 7th house Capricorn on December 10th. So, there won't be any hindrance to your comforts and luxuries. There will be marked improvements in mother's health. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicle are seen bright. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You can get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will cooperate. Women will flourish in the office and also in the house. This month is very much favorable for artists. Chances for arranging marriages for those who are waiting is seen bright this month. 5th and 10th house lord Mars will be in Scorpio in a ruling status. Chances of getting babies are seen. Business, trade and career will flourish and will be profitable. Your working skills and hard work will be recognized in the workplace and will be appreciated by the superiors. 6th and 9th house lord Jupiter will be in the 8th house Aquarius, which is not favorable. Jupiter aspects over 12th house Gemini, 2nd house Leo and 4th house Libra. So you cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenditures over celebrations and family functions. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. You will be respected. There won't be any hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicle are seen. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. 7th and 8th house lord Saturn will be in the 7th house in a ruling status along with Venus. Combination of Venus and Saturn is very much favorable. Spouse relationship will be harmonious with love and affection, but try to avoid third party interference in spouse relationship. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. A partnership business may not be profitable. Saturn aspects over 9th house Pisces, your sign Cancer and 4th house Libra. So, you must be careful in your activities. Your activities should not hurt others. You have to take care of your father's health. There may be delays in the inheritance of paternal property. Due legal advice has to be taken for the purchase of house, land and vehicles to avoid litigations. Involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation to overcome the confusions and problems created by 5th house Dragon Ketu in Scorpio and 11th house Taurus Dragon Ragu. Worship of Lord Dakshinamurti and Jupiter on every Thursdays will be favorable. Moon moves to 8th house on December 10th and 11th. On these days, be careful. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Avoid driving vehicles during night time. Nature and behavior of the planets are explained generally based on Tirkanita Panchangam. Based on your birth chart, Dasa and Bhukti, predictions may vary. check for both the ascendants and zodiac sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are one and the same, follow the prediction of both in the same sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are different, you go in for the prediction of the zodiac sign where your ascendant falls. Moon sign is going to affect the perspective of the psychology, whereas ascendant is the perception of your consciousness. Planetary status as on December 2021. On December 2nd, Mars moves to Scorpio. On December 9th, Venus moves to Capricorn. On December 10th, Mercury moves to Sagittarius. On December 15th, Sun moves to Sagittarius. On December 29th, Mercury moves to Capricorn. On December 30th, Venus retrogrades to Sagittarius. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Vanakkam.